Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll re-unbox brand new Nikon D5600 DSLR. As I already unboxed, I'll let you know what all the components you get when you order. First in the box you get to see a camera bag and DSLR camera itself. The bag is pretty decent with a single compartment where you can keep a single memory card or battery, and a sufficient place for a camera with a single lens. In case if you have more than one lens, you need to go for a bigger camera bag. Let's keep this aside and let's see the box itself. On top of the box you get to see a memory card reader which is 16 GB. In the box you get to see a single camera lens which is 1855mm lens, and a battery which is 1250 mAh, and a strap to hold the camera. You also get a battery charger which is called MX24. And a camera which quite feels heavy when you hold it. And that's all you get in the box, with some warranty papers which you can avail and service in all service centers in India. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more tech videos, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Thank you.